Good morning, amigos. My friend Peter and I are heading to the Sandia Mountains this morning. Right in front of me here, the Sandia Peak is an elevation around 10,600 feet. We're gonna take the tram, one of the longest trams in the world, up to the top. Our plan this morning is to walk some of the trails and look for wildflowers and photograph wildflowers. So join me during the rest of this video as we search for wildflowers. See you in a few minutes. Hello.
Welcome aboard, crew. Watch your step. Welcome.
Well, amigos, we made it to the top. 15-minute ride in the tram car. Below us, about 4,000 feet below, you can see the city of Albuquerque, and over there in the distance is the tram car that is making its return trip. As I told you, we're going to be taking some of the trails looking for wildflowers, so stay with us during the video and we'll be showing you what photos we're able to take from this location. Here we are walking one of the trails at the edge of the mountain. You have the city of Albuquerque over there on the bottom. We're gonna continue on this trail and see what flowers we can find a little later on. We stop in this location. We see a few beautiful purple flowers like this one. Also some yellow flowers and a number of large orange bees swarming on the yellow flowers. We're trying to be very still and see if we can get some nice shots here. Now we continue walking the trail. Here's my friend Peter. We stop at this location overlooking the city. We're able to take some photos of some beautiful flowers and bees. Well, here we have a number of flowers, purple flowers, violet with yellow centers. We're gonna try to pick one or two and see what we can do. On this trail on top of the mountain, we've been able to see different types of flowers: white, yellow, violet, red. A lot of bees coming to the yellow flowers. It's been so far a really nice morning. We probably still have another mile and a half to walk, and then we'll make our return to the tram. Well, here's the map for the top of the mountain. The tram stops at this location around 10,300 feet. We're taking this yellow trail, the red trail. We're at this location, and we're gonna take this trail up to the Kiwanis cabin and stop at the meadow and look for additional wildflowers. Well, friends, it's taken us 2.5 hours to get to this location. It's the end of where we wanted to hike to. After we get some rest, drink some water, eat a snack, we're gonna head back towards the tram. Here's my friend Peter.
Hey.
So how's the adventure so far this morning, Peter?
The adventure's good. It's good. We're up here at just under 10,600 feet, and on the walk over, we had a lot of wildflowers, but maybe most fun were the wildflowers. These red bees on the wildflowers were really pretty awesome. And it's always great to be up here.
Can you describe a little bit what is over there?
That's the Rio Grande Valley. You can see the dark green is where the river runs. That's the bosque along the river. Off in the distance is the Mount Taylor volcano, which is not that old a volcano. They're relatively young lava fields that come off that volcano. kind of hazy today. It's not clear whether it's haze or smoke from wildflowers fires, but it's always interesting up here.
Bueno, esperamos que estén disfrutando este video y vamos a continuar en un rato. Well, amigos, I hope you enjoyed this morning with us. We made it to the bottom of the tram. We're gonna now ride home. In the next few seconds, I'll be showing you some of the better photos that we took this morning. So if you're liking this series of videos, I'll ask you that you please subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.